In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow pages without unfriending in Facebook. Sometimes your Facebook feed gets a little too busy. Maybe you still like a page or want to stay connected with someone, but you don't really want to see all of their posts all the time. That's where unfollowing comes in. When you unfollow, you stay connected, but their updates stop appearing in your main feed. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that in a simple, clear way. First, open Facebook and go to the specific page or friend you want to unfollow. You can do this by typing their name into the search bar at the top of Facebook, or by clicking on their name anywhere you see it, like in a post or a comment. Wait for their profile or page to fully load, because all the options you need appear there. Once you're on their page or profile, look for the three dots. This is usually located near the top of the screen, close to the message or friends button if it's a person, or near the like and following buttons if it's a page. The three dots icon usually means more options. Click or tap on those three dots to open a small menu. In that menu, look for an option related to following. On many layouts, you might see following shown directly on the profile as well. Go ahead and click on following. This will open up your follow settings for that specific person or page. You should now see different options that control how often you see their posts. One of these options will be unfollow. Click on unfollow to stop seeing their posts in your feed. Remember, this does not unfriend the person and it does not remove your like from a page. It only changes what appears in your feed, so it's a great way to clean things up without creating any awkwardness. After you click unfollow, look for a button labeled update, or something similar that saves your changes. Click on update to confirm the new settings. This step is important because if you close the window without updating, your changes might not be applied. And that's it.